Hello. Do you know JavaScript is the most popular language in the world? So, let's understand what is JavaScript. So, JavaScript is a high-level interpreted scripting language. It is one of the core programming languages of web, which helps to create rich interactive web pages. It is also known as a programming language of web. About 97% of websites use JavaScript on the front-end side of the web page. Okay, so in the recent year, JavaScript has evolved a lot. JavaScript has started as a simple scripting language for front-end development. Today, the relevance of JavaScript has stretched across full-stack web development, game development, AI, IoT, and many more. Apart from that, there are lots of frameworks which has been developed in the recent years. Some of the famous frameworks are React.js, Angular, Vue.js, jQuery, Node.js, etc. So that is what JavaScript is. Thank you. And if you like my content, do subscribe. I will come up with another technology related video soon.